Guess what I actually did today? You're not going to believe what I did today. Okay, you probably already know based off the description. But yeah, I ordered another iPhone today. I know it's kind of shocking uh, because who buys a new phone every year? I mean, who really needs a new rectangular device in their pocket every single year? Well, I'm sure there's a lot of you guys out there actually who get a new iPhone New Year. But fun fact, I actually use buying a new iPhone every year as as an insurance policy. Um, for me, I'm actually on Verizon, and I think for a family plan insurance is like $50 per month. Then on top of that, you actually have to, if I'm not mistaken, you actually have to do a copay if you have a claim. And it all depends on like if you lose your phone or if you have to get like the screen fixed or something to that extent. But you do have to pay something on top of that. I know if it's like a newer phone, you pretty much have to slice off a piece of your soul for the most part. It's kind of expensive. But with that said, I do buy a new phone every year, and some lucky family member gets my old phone. So someone will get my iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's probably going to be my wife, and she's probably not going to appreciate all the cool features that comes with it because she only uses one camera on her iPhone 15 Pro Max, which was my old phone. So she says, "Oh, I didn't know that I can switch the camera." So she's definitely not taking advantage of all the cool features of these super high-end phones. But at the end of the day, it's sort of like Christmas to her, I guess, but not really. But yeah, the only way it works is you kind of have to live in my household. But with that said, I went with the iPhone Air, not the iPhone 17 Air, but just the iPhone Air with 512 gigs. I always kind of go to 512 gig. I think that's a good sweet spot based off of my usage. But I do take a lot of videos, and I've gotten a lot better at deleting those blurry pictures or pictures I take inside of my pocket. So, it kind of helps with space. But I have yet to hit that ceiling of 512 where I need to go up to like 1 terabyte. So I'm kind of happy about that. But there's a bit of a kicker to this. I'm going to try out the iPhone Air for 30 days. I think Verizon gives you 30 days to try it out and see if I missed it ultra wide, if I missed the telephoto lens. And, a big one is the battery life. Is battery life going to be an issue? I'm not sure if it will. I mean, I kind of work from home or I'm in the office, so I always have a charger. So I'm not on to go a lot, so might not be an issue to me. But at the same time, I get to enjoy a really thin device. So that's my thought process around getting the iPhone Pro. I kind of have to say it's slow. But I just wanted something different. If you think of the iPhone 12, the iPhone 13, the iPhone 14, and the iPhone 15, and the iPhone 16, they all look alike. And even the iPhone 17 and the iPhone 17 Pro kind of have that same shape, even though the back is a little bit different. But it is more like a, copy and paste, kind of like copy and paste your homework kind of style going on here. So at least the iPhone Air will feel a bit newish, in my opinion. And it'll kind of hold me over if the rumors are true about a iPhone phone next year. So we'll see how things go there. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have. Just wanted to kind of check in and give you guys a quick update. I will give you my first impression when I do get that phone next Friday. In the meantime, did you order an iPhone Air? Do you upgrade every year? Let me know in the comments section below. Or are you just a normal person who gets a phone every couple years, like normal people. But obviously, if you're watching this video, you're probably not normal. You like to take advantage of the new technology that comes our way, even though the technology in the iPhone Air is not really new. Although I am really excited about that front-facing camera, how it kind of goes into landscape mode. But yeah, I'm starting to ramble. Let me know in the comments if you ordered the iPhone Air and tell me why you ordered it. And I will catch you guys when I get that iPhone Air in the mail and I unbox it and play around with it a little bit. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.